One of the highlights that we're showing is the XT1000 series video conferencing system. The very high quality image that you get and that you can see is really appealing to people, and as they walk by they're really amazed at the quality of the experience. And we're doing a video conference back to Israel showing the quality and the capability of video conferencing, very high definition, very high quality video conferencing. One of the things that's very interesting about the XT1000 series is its unique way to be able to control it. We developed an application that runs on an iPad, is freely available on the App Store. You can download it. It provides a very intuitive way to run a video conference. Typically people come to a video conferencing room and what they see is a remote control. There are a lot of buttons and it's confusing to them. What we've done is we've taken the base functionality of running a video conference and controlling the conference when you're in it and put it on the iPad. You see behind me the camera control. If I want to move the camera, I simply use this or swipe in order to do that, and the camera moves. If I want to zoom in, I can pinch. All the familiar paradigms that are used on an Apple iPad. But it also provides very easy to use controls for muting the conference, for presenting, for putting it into do not disturb mode. So it's a very exciting innovation because ease of use is extremely important in the video conferencing world, and this control application running on a readily available product like the Apple iPad is really a unique innovation.